This is to show you how to do assignment 8.3, simply just to identify the type of cadence. In order to be able to recognize the type of cadence, you will need to do the Roman numeral analysis first. You need those Roman numeral symbols to determine what cadence the phrase is in. So let's start with the first one. I'll do a few examples for you, and this is exactly what you need to do for assignment 8.3. Let's look at the first one. You're in the key of A major. Let's see what chord we have. The first chord here. Don't forget to consider the key signature. So we have E, we have B, we have E again, that's repeated, and we have G sharp. So you have G sharp. It looks like this is an E major chord. E major in the key of A is in that of 5 chord, and its root position. The second harmony, you have A, you have C sharp, you have E, you have A again. A is right here. This is an A major chord. Looks like this is a 5-1. This is authentic cadence, but is it a perfect or imperfect? First of all, they're both in their root position, and the soprano in the second chord has to be the tonic. So this is actually perfect, authentic cadence. Let's do another example. We are in the key of F minor. Let's see, we have B flat again, D flat, and is that a G? That's a G, right? And how do I know to put the G down here? Again, I want to rearrange those notes into its root position so I can easily find the Roman numeral in the key, right? That's why I put the G down here. So we are looking at a G diminished chord, right? Because it's G, B flat, and D flat, diminished. Oh, I'm sorry, it's minor, that gives you diminished triad. So this is a diminished chord, and G in the key of F minor, that's a 2 chord. It's a 2 diminished, but be careful with the root note versus the bass. The bass is actually B flat, which is the third of this triad. So this tells me we are in the first inversion. So this chord, if I get rid of all the doodling, this is your answer. 2-6 diminished. Now this following chord, we have C, we have G, we have C again, and you have E natural. How come there's an E natural in the key of F minor? It's the raised leading tone, isn't it? Raised seventh. So apparently the scale we're using for this particular measure is harmonic minor, right? Okay, so it looks like we're in C major for this triad. C major in the key of F minor is in that of 5 chord. So your progression goes from 2 to 5. Anything that ends on 5 is going to be a half cadence. So this is how you do assignment 8.